So much that it's been very dry.
Yes.
It's also dry between my legs, but
Yes.
it's dry here as well.
Yes. So, what are you going to do about it?
I'm gonna fix it.
In today's episode, how do you do, interlovers? Welcome. So, the weather outside is fantastical. I talked to Martin, remember Martin, and he said he's coming over later today, and we are going to be tinkering with our bikes. There will be some bike tinkering, and this is my vegan smoothie. That's the 323 calories. These are 2 hard breads with butter, alfalfa sprouts, cherry tomatoes, and that is 163 calories. So, bon appetit. I gained 300 grams since yesterday. So this is not something to rejoice about. Welcome to Swedish word of the day. Swedish word of the day is pasta. 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 I'm now going to use it in a sentence. Är det där en påse pasta? Ja, det är det. Jag har fått den av min morfar, fattar du? Is that a bag of pasta? Yes, I got it from my grandfather. Do you understand? Thank you so very much for watching Swedish Word of the Day. And welcome back to more words later. It's kind of funny, Swedish Word of the Day, and I do it sort of every other day or every third day. It's not Swedish word every day. Today, it's all about pasta. Well, I got a visitor.
Hello.
Hello. Go and sit in the nice sofa.
Yeah, but
Go and sit.
This is a very colorful sofa, and I'm going to sit here with my black mysterious dress today.
That's the joke. Oh, look.
Oh.
Look, he loves it. What's
Yes.
wrong with your bike?
My bike, during these terrible times which happens now around the world, Martin has started bicycling. And now, you see here, I bicycling so much that it's been very dry.
Yes.
It's also dry between my legs, but
Yes.
it's dry here as well.
Yes. So, what are you going to do about it?
I'm gonna fix it. I bought a new tire.
Yeah?
Clas Olsson.
Yes.
And I'm going to change the inner tile
Yeah?
to the outer tile.
To the...
Yeah, two tiles in one.
Good. What's a tile?
Heter det hjul då, eller?
Tire.
Tire.
People, you start by turning everything upside down, and then we're going to ask... Very well
You
done.
have some oil?
Yes. So, it's a good thing to have gloves when you're working with this kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yep. So, how are you going to start?
I'm going to start to... Okay, this is not so good.
No, it's very bad. So, I would buy a new bike if I were you.
Okay, but I started to take off this tire.
Yes. Is that the right tire?
No, this is the other one. this tire is going to take off. Yeah.
Do you feel confident?
Det sitter skithårt ju.
So,
The other side I left.
yes?
Yes.
You just need to leave that.
I think this is a little bit tricky one.
Yes, but maybe you try both ways, because sometimes you might not be pulling the right way. So, what are you doing right now? Can you talk where you work? No.
Nej.
Well done, Martin. So now you let the air out of the bike, of the tires?
Yes. And now I take I think this one.
No, you have to let the air out of the tires
Okay.
first. So while I fixed my bike, Martin is trying to open the box.
Do you have a knife or something?
Well, you could use those, right?
Yeah, because I need to have it nice, because if maybe I'm gonna have it black.
The other side. God damn it. Well done. Now say, I fixed it.
I fixed it.
Oh, you haven't quite fixed it, have you? So I'm going to take my bike for a spin just so that this thing works, okay? So Martin is now changing the inner tube and the outer tube. No, the outer tire. He tries to look good while doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Think it's not working.
think it's coming some air.
Is it?
Yeah. Ljudet också.
Så nu är det bättre, va? Nu har du längre. And there he went. Since we've been looking at videos of Crazy Old Girlfriend, because I love her, and well, Martin didn't quite get it, I think, because his humor is kind of wanting, right?
Wanting.
Needing. So now we're going to go for a bike ride. We had tea. I was so nice to offer him some tea.
Yeah,
now we're
thank
gonna
you.
Yeah, well, too late to say
Nice
thank you now.
hospitality.
Yes, I am hospitable. I'm hospitable.
Hospitable.
So let's go for bike ride.
Yes.
Martin, are you satisfied now with having fixed your bike?
Yes.
Do you feel like a real bike fixer?
Yes.
A fixing biker?
I'm a bike fixer. A guy that's fixing bikes.
Yes. So Martin is in his apartment now because he bought some meat and fish and stuff that he has had in his backpack. And those things get bad if you don't take care of them. Ses igen.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Habadobadabab. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
And now you drive away.
Okay, why?
Because you make good, that's entertainment.
Okay.
So,
Bye bye.
we're going that way?
I destroy your film.
The good thing with going on this diet that is if you go for a bike ride, then you get some free calories. So this is something I have earned. This is well within my range of calories today. And a cup of coffee. Oh, this does not photograph as well. So people, now I uploaded today's video, igtv video, which is last week's Thursday, and I also uploaded it to YouTube, Facebook, my blog, and some other places as well, because I need exposure, baby. But now it's time for dinner. This diet thing, although I haven't seen great results, it's not so hard since I'm always cooking 4 meals. After every portion, I just have sort of list all the ingredients, all the calories, and then do math things with my head on my phone. And then it's sort of, I just have to do that mathematical thing once every 4th meal. So today I've already written down what I'm going to eat, so there's no worries. And I still got I might eat some chocolate later on. So today's dinner is the same thing as last night, I think. Refried bean quesadillas. That will be 570.5 calories. God, and this is quite easy to make. You just take one of those, put some of that refried beans on that, put that on top, and then you fry it. People, don't this look fantastical? And one of the tricks is lots of salad, and then you just serve half the meal on one plate, and then you save it on another plate, so you can sort of go back and sort of, I want some more food, please. I'm Oliver Twist, can I have some more? And then you say, yes, as a matter of fact, you can.